Hello, my name is Matt Kochalko. I'm a full stack software engineer in the San Francisco Bay Area. A little background about myself: I graduated from Santa Clara University with a degree in mechanical engineering. With that degree, I started my career as a mechanical design system engineer for an HVAC contractor. Over the next couple years, I was then promoted into more of a project management role, where eventually I was dealing with, on the HVAC side alone, multi-million dollar construction projects as the lead point of contact. Towards the end of my career working in HVAC, I wasn't fulfilled with the work that I was doing. I was putting in a lot of hard work solving problems on a daily basis, but wasn't fulfilled or rewarded when I was able to complete those projects or tasks. Then I found my passion for software engineering. I took my first step in my career change joining App Academy's 16-week coding bootcamp, where I learned the fundamentals of software engineering with a focus on Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, and React. I'd like to take you through one of my projects today. This was a project done in the MERN stack. What was especially fun and challenging about this project is that no one in my group had ever worked in the MERN stack before, and this was set up by design. We had just about one weekend to learn the basics of the MERN stack to be able to start our project on Monday morning. Over the weekend, we learned how to create a cluster in MongoDB, connect that cluster to our backend server using Node and Express, as well as set up our models, routes, and validations. Now, let me take you through Music MD.
The first big feature of our application is user authentication. We allow users to create an account so that when they log back into our application, they're able to have all of their data saved. We also give the users an option to log in through a demo user. So let's do that. When we get to the home page, this is the bulk of the application. On the left-hand side, you see all of the upcoming events in your area or whatever city you search. When you select an event, it'll pop up with this information of the artist, the venue, some venue location, as well as the date and time of your event. And then it'll give you a set list for that specific artist. If you want to go to an event, you can add the event to your events list, which we'll head over to in our profile. In your profile, you see all of your upcoming events. If you want to click on one of those events, it will then generate a set list for that specific event, something that you can listen to the music as well as add to your library. So if we really liked a specific song like Ghost, we can add that to our library. And then when we head over to our library, this will generate the songs, all of these songs from our library. And you can listen to these songs or customize the library however you see fit. Scroll down, we can see the song that we just added. We can remove that song if we prefer. A lot of the information we gathered for this application was done through APIs. And so we relied heavily on React and Redux state and prop management to handle this information and update these components as necessary. For example, one of these with this component shown here. When the component mounts, we fetch all of the music information. And once we have the music information, we are then able to generate our set lists from the API that we call. My role in this project was the team lead. As the team lead, a lot of what I was doing was helping other engineers debug, which was a great experience for me because I was able to touch every part of the code base, as well as read other engineers' code, be able to interpret what they were doing, and understand it to be able to come up with a solution. This was a fantastic experience and a very important tool for us software engineers in general. We had a great time developing this application and had a lot of fun learning this new stack and learning these new technologies.
I am open to opportunities throughout the United States, so please feel free to reach me here. Thank you for watching my demo, and I hope you all have a great day.